welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So let's get started. So yes guys, in this IT Talk moment, we mostly talk about the different opportunities that are available online during this period, and so many free opportunities, internships, and a lot more recent happenings about IT industry. This is what we analyze and talk about together. So what I realized is during this time of the year, last year Infosys launched its e-learning platform, that is InfiTQ. And while we are talking about so many certifications, why did we not talk about the most valuable resource that is available for free for everybody who is keen to learn? For the fact that most of the freshers join Infosys because of the world-class training program. And this platform InfiTQ, which was before accessible just for the Infosians, now it was available for everybody in India to access. So this was launched in 2019. It has completed a year, and during this lockdown period also, wherein so many people are interested in building their digital skills and so much more you can learn here on this platform as well. So today in this video we will talk about the different valuable courses that are available on InfiTQ platform that you guys can learn for free, how you can access the Infosys certification program, and what the leaders has to say about 1 year completion as to how this platform did in this 1 year. This is what we are going to analyze. So first of all, this is how the platform looks: infitq.infosys.com and /homepage. This is the page that I have opened right now. You guys can also go and download the InfiTQ app that is available on Google Play Store, and all the courses are accessible there as well. So there are some amazing foundation courses. Now for the fact that I was a part of Infosys for 3 long years, I have done a bunch of courses from them already, and when we were in a training program, then of course that time we did many courses. So many of the foundation courses are something that I can relate to, especially the Python, because this is the first course that we went through during our training in Mysore. Those who are keen to know about my journey in Infosys, you guys can click on this I button right here. You can click here and check it out. I made a couple of videos while I was there, and even there is one video about my last day in Infosys, which was quite overwhelming. So yes, that is what you can go and check out. One thing that nobody can deny is the valuable courses that they have made available on the internet for free for all the students to learn, which were accessible to only Infosians before. People used to wait to go for that training and get access to these valuable courses, and now these are available to you all for free. So if we check, obviously most of the courses are related to the programming languages like DBMS, data structures, OOP, and Python, and then digital basics are also something that they have covered. If I talk about Internet of Things, this program I did while I was in Jaipur DCS, I remember. So there are a couple of courses related to big data, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and there are so many things that you can access. If you check, there are courses related to soft skills as well, which will be coming your way soon. So I just suggest you guys to go and register yourself there. Towards the end of the video हम लोग discuss करेंगे कि 1 year में how many students got benefit just by registering on this platform and doing certain things which they did not have access to before, which literally changed their lives. So yes, there are exciting weekly challenges, aptitude tests, interesting projects that they are working on. Just how I talked about the Coursera platform, maybe they are also coming up with this thing, and you can also access the alumni stories. Now let me talk about the certification, which most of you are interested about. Certification was one major and important program which actually helps you get job in Infosys. So this is something that people were looking for a lot. If you want to check out in detail, I have made a video already last year. You can check out clicking here in the I button, or just search InfyTQ by Jyoti Maheshwari, you will get the video. So the industry gives you a chance to become an Infosys certified software programmer and get a chance to get interviewed for a job at Infosys. So which is amazing for a lot of colleges जहाँ पे Infosys even hire भी नहीं करती है, उन स्टूडेंट्स को भी चांस मिलता है. So many people were concerned about the final round because of the COVID-19. ये postpone हो गया था. So this is what they have written over here, that due to COVID-19, the examination process for the final round has been changed. The final round of Infosys certification will be online and it will be a web proctored examination, will be held on June 14th. So that's my date of birth. So yes, you guys can come and wish me a happy birthday, and I hope those of you who will be giving the exam, I hope you guys excel at it. All the very best. So this is one platform which I really wanted to talk about for all those who were talking about learning skills during this lockdown period. Now if we talk about all the courses that are available, सब में certificate हो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं, but certification program is something totally different which gives you a chance to get a job at Infosys. So of course this is your chance to get registered. Now जिन लोगों को इसके बारे में नहीं पता, those are new viewers and are new on my channel, you guys can go and check out the previous InfyTQ video on my channel. Also, if you are somebody who wants to get a job in Infosys and who is interested in knowing about my experience, you guys can check the whole playlist. And now if I talk about what the leaders has to say why the platform was a huge success, is the data I have right here. So as soon as the platform was up, 3 lakh students registered for it, out of which a lot of people learned and about 1900 people completed the Infosys certification program, and 1800 of them got job offers. About 450 of them got specialist positions at Infosys. Specialist positions are those positions which are usually offered to IITians. So this is amazing. Even the package was more. They were from those colleges जिन पे Infosys hire करने नहीं जाती है. So I think this is an amazing opportunity to show your skill set. I hope soon the platform will be up with the certification program again when the whole situation goes back to normal, and you guys can get access to such amazing courses that are available there. So yes, with this I would like to end today's video here, and I'll be back with more such updates and opportunities and insights where we guys analyze and talk about different things. Till then, you guys stay safe, and you guys might want to subscribe or give this video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. And if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section, and comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.